Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening your document and activating Read Aloud. This starts the audio engine word uses. Once done, go to the Read Aloud control in the ribbon or press the shortcut Alt plus Control plus R. That brings up the playback bar. You need to click the voice name drop-down or the small settings icon to reveal available voices and speed controls. Make sure your system audio is on and volume is set, because Word uses system TTS voices and will show only voices installed on your PC. Now you select the actual voice and adjust how it reads. Click the voice drop-down to choose among installed system voices. Pick one based on gender, accent, or clarity. Then move the speed slider to faster or slower. Slower helps comprehension, faster saves time. You should highlight a short sentence and press play to preview each combination, because auditory differences are subtle. If voices are missing, Word relies on Windows or Mac OS voice settings, so you may need to add voices at the OS level. Finish by testing the full Read Aloud experience so you hear pacing across paragraphs. Make adjustments to speed or select another voice if needed. If you don't see desired voices, add them in Windows settings, time and language speech, or Mac OS voice settings, then restart Word to refresh the list. If Read Aloud won't start, make sure Office is updated and restart the app. Also check audio device defaults. If problems persist, reboot the machine or reinstall optional speech components to restore functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.